do on the day of your disciplinary hearing. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I'm a registered attorney. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some practical tips that a person can use on the day of their disciplinary hearing. How to manage themselves and manage the process. Tip number one is to make sure that you have your bundle of documents ready. What does that mean? That means that whatever evidence that you intend leading at your disciplinary hearing, emails, screenshots of WhatsApp messages, any kind of documentary evidence, you need to make sure that you have a bundle for yourself, a bundle for the employer, and a bundle for the chairperson, and maybe even a bundle for the witness. So that's 4 bundles of documents. Make sure the documents are paginated, meaning you write a chronological number from 1 on the first page until the last page. If your disciplinary hearing is being held electronically, then you scan these bundle of documents and make sure that it's available to be presented when you are leading your case. Tip number 2, prepare your opening statement. That means make sure that your case is summarized. You know your defenses and you know the essence of your case. For more information on how to prepare an opening statement, take a look at our YouTube channel where we've done an express video on that. Tip number 3, if you have any witnesses, make sure that they are ready to testify. How do you get witnesses to testify to disciplinary hearing? You make a request to the employer before the disciplinary hearing. You advise your superior or HR or the owner of the company, hey, my hearing is scheduled for 2 days from now. I require the following witnesses to come and testify. Give them the name of the witnesses. Oftentimes our clients would say, I didn't know what evidence the company was going to lead and therefore I didn't know what witnesses I might need. Then at that point, make a formal request for a postponement and tell the chairperson, I cannot proceed because I actually need the following witnesses. The reason why I need these witnesses is because of X, Y, and Z. Therefore, please can you grant me a short postponement so that these witnesses can come and testify for me. The next tip is to make sure you go there early. The reason why this is important is because it will calm your nerves and you'll be much more centered and focused. If you're going to go late because you don't want to be around the employer, you're going to end up being late. That's going to make you flustered and you're not going to be in the right frame of mind. The next important tip is when you walk into the room, or if you are having it digitally, is to greet all the parties with a smile and confidence. The reason why this is important is because you want to be a professional about your business. You want to show that you are a better person for how the process is being held. You're not going to be combative for the sake of being combative. Another tip is to make sure that you make detailed written notes about the disciplinary hearing. You must know exactly what the witnesses are testifying against you. And the best way to do this is to write down notes in detail. These notes will be very valuable when you do take your case to the CCMA if you are unfairly dismissed, because we will use those notes to cross-examine the witnesses. You said this at the disciplinary hearing. Now at the CCMA, you're changing your story. That is how we can beat them. Record the disciplinary hearing on your cell phone. The reason why that's important is that you can hear the witness testimony, and this will be very valuable to when you meet your lawyer for the CCMA. Last tip is to get your evidence ready for the CCMA. The reason why I say that is because oftentimes in our experience, most employees are actually dismissed at the disciplinary hearing stage. That's the reality. You need to start getting mentally and physically ready for the CCMA case. Start making sure that you have your documents ready, you're ready to fill in your relevant CCMA forms, and that you're ready to take on this battle. In summary, attending a disciplinary hearing is a serious matter. Your career is at stake, your names and your reputation at the company is at stake. You must prepare, make sure that you have your evidence ready, and give it your best effort. I believe in you, but remember, you can only win if you are prepared. If you are not prepared and you're just taking a chance, you decrease your chances of winning. I wish you all the best, and if you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office.